Welcome everyone to another episode of Lawfully Speaking with No Pare Law. Today, I want to talk to all of the creatives who are interested in selling ebooks, courses, basically any form of digital product. Make sure no one steals your work. Now, how do you go about that? You register your copyright with the U.S. Copyright Office. That, even though you get common law right copyrights, registering it with the U.S. Copyright Office will ensure that when it's time, if ever there is time, to be able to enforce your right against infringers. It doesn't stop there. Another thing you will need is making sure that your disclaimers and your terms of service are very specific. So for example, ebooks, courses, especially when it's downloadable, do the client own it once they download it, or are they licensing it? These are questions that most clients have, and they're very valid ones. Most of the time, it depends on what you have in your disclaimer or your terms of use or even your invoice receipts. So this, as a creative or business owner who is interested in selling courses, you have to decide, do I want to make this, again, a work for hire where once it is downloaded, I can now give it to the client and they own it, they can do whatever they want to do with it? Or is it more of a licensing where you only get the course for a certain amount of time that you've paid for, and then it goes off, or you set a limitation or duration as to how long the client can access said course. Now, obviously, it's different for ebooks and other digital products, but again, what really guides or guards that is the disclaimer or the terms of use that you then provide to your client once the purchase is made. And just in case you're confused, trademarks are not copyrights and copyrights are not trademarks. Copyrights will protect the content of your creation. And so for instance, your ebook, copyright will protect that content, or even your courses. What trademarks will do is protect the name you gave it, maybe a slogan that you have, or your business name, so that people know where they're getting the ebook or the course from. If you need help with your copyright registrations, be sure to contact the firm at info@nopare.com.